Hello everyone. I'm hopping on to talk about this product. I love this product, especially during sinus issues, allergy season. If you have a lot of sinus issues, I highly recommend this product. I will have it down in my link so you can purchase it. It does come with little packages that you can just pour down into it. But I've had this for years. I use baking soda. I use a 1/3 teaspoon of it. Put it down in there. You want to use distilled water or spring water. Do not just use regular tap water, but I do have a filter machine, so I can. And I just fill it up to this line. I'll show you. There's a little dotted line up there. You just fill it up to that little line. I'm a little over, but it's no big deal. Then and this is the stuff that you just put in the bath or in your refrigerator to keep the bad smells out. And you just stick it in there. But I get the big bag at Sam's Club. Because I use it for laundry. I use it for if I'm really sick and I'm running a high fever. That you put 2 cups of it in your bath water, and it helps alkaline your body and helps you feel better the more you use it. You can use it every 4 hours or every 2 hours, whatever you feel froggy, but you just soak in it. Don't rinse off until the next morning because that's what helps keep you alkaline. But this, okay, like I said, it shows you to lean forward, which you need to lean forward, and then you stick it up to your nostril, and then you rotate it to the other one, and you just keep rotating it until you get it all cleaned out. And it really is great. And if your allergies are really bad, I also recommend getting honey in your actual area. That way you can introduce the pollen directly into your body. And it actually helps. You do 3 tablespoons until it really gets introduced into your body, and then you can go down to 1 a day. But you do it for at least 3 times a day when you're first starting it out, because it really has to get into the cycle. Your body just needs a little bit. I do a tablespoon a daily, and that really helps keep me fresh and not stuffy, and you know, it's just really great, and it's natural. I don't use anything pharmaceutical. I use all naturals. I'm a naturalist. I'm learning how to take care of the body from the land that God made us from. And, you know, when you realize your body makes 0 nutrients, 0 makes nothing that you need. Literally, it makes nothing that you need. You have to provide it. That's why your body, you have body aches, you're depressed, you have brain fog, because you're not giving the body nutrients that it needs. When you realize fast food from the box, anything that is cooked is dead food. It does not have any nutrients for your body. 0 nutrients. So you have to provide it with nutrients from vegetables, fruits, nuts, fermented. You know, you can do a raw egg that helps provide calcium for your teeth, your bones, helps your eyes. Everything that you need comes from God's good creation. And our body knows how to diffuse it to the organs that it needs. And your brain is 85% water. That's why water is essential. Your organ of your body, the skin, it's 75% water. That's why it needs water. It doesn't make water. You need to give it water. So when you understand that and you start taking your life in your own hands and literally doing what it needs, it will take care of you. It will provide for you. You will be in ultimate health. You will be in a good mood all the time. But if you don't give it what it needs, then it isn't going to provide you. It's not going to provide you with what it needs. And it's not its fault you don't provide it with what it needs. It was designed to keep you in a physical form and in ultimate health. But if you don't give it food and nutrients, then it can't. You have to be the conductor of your body and make sure you provide it the food it needs. But I just wanted to get on, tell you about this product because I really do like it. And if you really love my content, please follow me, please, please, please. And I will teach you other natural ways to heal your body, help your body, and love yourself, because that is the most important thing. Love your body, love yourself, become one with yourself, appreciate yourself. Those are key elements of healing. I love you all, I appreciate you, and thank you. Have a great day.